have keynote speakers, which provide, I think, 40 minutes or 45-minute talk each. And then we have invited scientific presentation speakers. And then those are short section, but all invited speakers. So what we did was we created a scientific program committee, which consists of myself, and then Dr. Darren Drury, and Uttara Samarakon, and then Kari Becker, who is a program coordinator, discussed about the areas important. And then first we decided keynote speakers in the area of lighting, substrate, and then engineering, sensor and engineering, and then indoor, which is sole source, so that's totally indoor plant production area. So in the lighting area, we selected Bruce Bugby, who is the obviously leading person in this space, science and technology development and then he's a great plant physiologist, very familiar with lighting and other areas of CEA. And then for substrate, James Altman, who is the expert of substrate management and understands and has the capacity of quantifying the physical and chemical properties of substrate. So that's the person we selected. And then for engineering and sensing, Mura Kachira from University of Arizona, who has been working on sensing technologies to detect plant health. So some old time we called listening plant or speaking plant approach. So just using sensor to listen to your plants and then getting information and then feedback to the control to optimize. So stress sensing, things like that is his area. So he's gonna talk about that advancement of that particular technology. And then indoor plant production. So there are usually, I think the most focused area is the crop production in the vertical farms, right? So the LED lighting and leafy greens, most of the case, in some cases like a strawberry or tomato. But the person we selected for this keynote is specifically working in young plant production, so the propagation. He works, I think, both food crop and then other crops also, but using the totally controlled environment, high quality transplant production or propagation. So I think it's a very unique and then actually in my earlier study, it's more profitable application of totally enclosed environment compared to food crop production. So that's why those 4 speakers selected. And then the rest, I think we have important area, nutrient management, root zone management, and then also improving nutritional quality by controlled environment, additional sensing technologies, and then also indoor fruit like a strawberry production. So all these are important areas we consider. So the committee member discussed and then decided to approach, reached out and invited. So that's how we selected.